One of the most questions Freelancer asks is, how much should I charge? The answer? Start with a realistic rate and gradually increase as you gain experience and confidence. Unlike traditional jobs, freelancing gives you full control over your earnings. The better your skills and results, the faster you can increase your rates and earn more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your freelancing rates. Okay, so step one is determine your income goal. For example, figure out how much you want to earn per month. Like, for example, you want to earn $1,000 or $10,000. Now, let's break it down. So, if a client offers you $500 per month for social media management, in order for you to hit your goal, you only need 2 clients per month to achieve $1,000 per month. So this is just for beginners. If you want to make freelancing as your side hustle and you want to earn an extra $1,000 per month, then this is how you compute. All right, next step is to calculate your hourly rate. So once you figure out how much you want to earn per month, like for example, $1,000, and you just want to work for 2 hours per day, 5 days a week. So that's 40 hours per month. So your starting hourly rate is $12.5 per hour. So this is just a starting point. So as you gain experience, you can increase your rate. And then step three, know your market and skill level. So for example, your income goal is $1,000. So beginner rates is $5 to $15 per hour, and intermediate rates $15 to $30 per hour, and advanced rates $30 to $100 per hour. So you can research freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, onlinejobs.ph to see what others in your niche are charging. So stay competitive, but don't undersell yourself. And then step four, increase your rates with experience. If you deliver high quality work, so that means happy clients, you have repeat business. And if you gain new skills, learning more means charging more. Networking and referrals. So good work gets recommended. And sometimes you don't need to ask for a raise. Any clients just voluntarily increase your rates for great freelancers. So know your worth. Your time is money. So price yourself accordingly. That's it for this video. If you want more tips about freelancing, please subscribe to my channel. Or if you want the full course about how to become a freelancer, check out the description section and enroll in my Udemy course. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.